Oh, what's going on, my beautiful dolls and divas? What's poppin', YouTube? We are in for another Alopecia Solutions. We're going to be doing something from the hybrid collection. She always give me a challenge. She always wants something new. Like, Taneasha, you could do it. You can do it. So we're going to go ahead and bust it out with some of my skills. We're going to go ahead and use a technique that I have not used out of my catalog in a long time. But, you know, she's loyal. She's been with me for a year and a half, so she kind of gets what she wants to get. Loyalty does pay off. Talking about loyalty, you too. Now, I'm going to need you when you find me on any social media platform, forever hold your peace. I'm like Jay-Z, you went to owe me by the old album, okay? Do not be reading me my rights based off a video you saw a year, 2 years ago. Keep up, okay? Keep up. The Alopecia Solutions, it's always going to change and update. Some things going to get off the menu. Some new things going to come on the menu. I advise you to go ahead and jump on and stop waiting 5-6 months as if you waiting for your income tax to come in. Lies you tell. Talking about, I know you can do it. But don't, just because you don't want to help me. Girl, I don't know you. Ma'ams. Okay? Stop coming with no chase. Stop coming to me with no lube. It's called a consultation. Anything more than 2 sentences, you know I'm not reading. If you did not know, you know now. Okay? I don't get paid by the hour. I do not read emails. Child, anyway, you see my little tag for my social media platform, you know. So I'm not going to go ahead and go too much into details. We using my hairline snatch, giving her some cute waves. She wants some easy, low maintenance. You know how to go back and forth, back and forth. You know, ain't nothing to it but to do it, okay? Now, it is going to be some videos coming soon. You keep saying it. Just pump your brakes, okay? It's holiday season. Holiday season. Last time I checked, I am working. And making these videos are not easy, all right? So, brace yourself. Especially when we all still watching stuff 4 or 5 years ago, okay? I post commentary videos every week. I still appreciate it, though. And I like the comments, okay? Make sure you like, hit the notification bell, subscribe, and all that good jazz. You can't be shy when you type it on the keyboard. Jeez, mo Christmas. Put your boobs on your daggone chest and hold them up straight, okay? And my divos, you know you got me. Y'all be real quiet. Y'all be real quiet. So, do y'all still want to get mentioned? So y'all gonna get mentioned. Let me stop playing. Psycho boo-boos. But right now, we just going ahead and closing up. Trust the process. We are using the bulk to close this up. My Bohemian Burmese curly. Anyway, I love what I do. I love all my new subscribers. Y'all can go ahead and watch any daggone body. It's 1 million of people on YouTube University. Y'all come for the commentary, okay? You come for the inspiration. Bring this to your beautician. Have her knock it out. It's called creativity. Okay, my 90s baby. I come from the era that we see a little bit and we inspire to do our own thing. We don't need to know what's the net, what's the braid, what's the brush. Child. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and create a little bit of teasing in the front, giving her that wisp baby hair so when the wind blow, you can't see no braid. I always want to make sure that when my dolls have their alopecia situations, if I was them, I don't want them being insecure, got a bobby pin and all that bull jazz. So right now, I'm going to go ahead and use this little mist. Y'all seen it. I ain't feel like squeaky. I didn't feel like it. This is much faster. And, you know, so that's what I did, basically. We using a little bit of composure. Composure, so Taneasha. We using a little bit of composure. And that's what we basically doing. Thank you for watching. We're going to go ahead and bring it on. I'm going to give you some pictures. I'm going to give you a close-up. You know I'm going to do what I'm going to do. And if you ain't got nothing nice to say, go ahead and drop your link to your video and let me see what you can do. If not, forever hold your peace. It's always these ponytail, goddamn frontal babies. No originality, got something to goddamn say. It's like y'all don't be saying nothing, YouTube. Y'all don't be saying nothing. I'm talking about the other platforms. People be DMing me like they lost their daggone mind. Ma'am, you don't want to be my client talking to me crazy in the DM. And my client read it. I be having my clients read them long DMs. Just if you don't know, it's for the public. So you cuss me out if you want to. It's for the public. I like what the outcome that came out as. You don't see anything. It's giving realistic realness, you know. And basically, thank you for watching. As always, I'll be back next week. You know, and all that good jazz. Y'all like the nighttime voice, don't y'all? Psycho boo boo. Anyway, www.officialpashhair.com. And yeah, I can't stop putting my hands in it. Like Taneasha, stop touching it. I can't. Look at that. I get in my damn nerve. Always messing my damn videos up. I'm getting the editing, ain't I? Put yourself first. See ya next week.